Hello, happy Talk About It Tuesday, everybody. It's Carmelita Turner, the realest realtor you know, and I'm so glad to be back after my month off for rest and rejuvenation. And I wanted to kick off the second day of March and this first Talk About It Tuesday for the month with a quote. Women must become revolutionary. It can't be evolution, it must be revolution. This is a quote from the great Shirley Chisholm. As women, we have to become revolutionary in our thoughts, in our spirits, in our minds, in our actions, and in our activism. I am so excited about a segment that we are rolling out this month called Dope Dialogues with Women. Oh, yeah, I know a lot of dope women. So, starting next Talk About It Tuesday, we are going to have special guests on live, and we will definitely let you know in advance who will be gracing our platform so that you do not miss not one dope dialogue. Because let me tell you, they're going to be good. They really, truly are. So, listen, make sure you're connecting with us across all of our platforms. Follow us here on Call Carmelita on YouTube. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell for all. And folks, leave us some comments. It helps out our algorithm, so we would definitely appreciate it. You can find us on Instagram, Call Carmelita, all spelled out, Call, and then my first name, Carmellita. And this month, we're also launching, you heard it, our mindset brand, Own Your Own, OYO. You can find OYO on Instagram as well. And we thank you in advance for following us over there. Folks, make sure that you show up for some dope dialogue with women. Have a great Talk About It Tuesday.